Greetings and welcome to another video of World AI News. The gaming realm has been on a wild roller coaster of innovation lately, all thanks to tech wizards cooking up some serious magic. Enter stage left, artificial intelligence. This powerhouse isn't just leveling up gameplay, it's flipping character antics on their virtual heads. Today, we're cracking the code on how AI is pulling the strings in the gaming world, why it's the hottest gossip in the industry, and what mind-blowing possibilities lie ahead for game development. Let the AI adventure begin. Artificial intelligence isn't a rookie in the gaming scene. It's been a player since the early days, influencing how we engage with games. But what's AI's gig in gaming? It's the puppet master behind certain characters, like non-playable characters, NPCs, and enemies, making them dance to a human-like rhythm or act with a mind of their own. AI's mission? To sprinkle that magic dust of immersion over games. Take the iconic Pac-Man, for instance. Ever noticed how those four colorful ghosts aren't just mindlessly tailing him? They're on a calculated mission, each with its own playbook. Some chase, some ambush, and others play the unpredictable card. It's the clever choreography that makes even vintage games like Pac-Man feel surprisingly alive. That's the enchanting spell AI weaves in the gaming realm. And with a staggering market value surpassing $300 billion, the global gaming industry is not just making waves, it's creating a tsunami that connects millions of gamers worldwide. Beyond the awe-inspiring revenue, what truly steals the spotlight is the colossal volume of data churned out by these games. The fusion of massive data flows, advancements in big data analytics, and the escalating influence of artificial intelligence is reshaping the gaming landscape. Companies are wholeheartedly adopting big data and AI technologies to decipher user behavior, ushering in distinctive and enriched gaming experiences. But why does AI matter in gaming? Virtually all games leverage AI to provide players with immersive experiences. The ultimate goal? To infuse characters with a lifelike quality, even in fantastical realms. As AI evolves, so do the possibilities for player interaction. Enter Middle-earth: Shadow of War and its groundbreaking Nemesis system. In this open-world extravaganza by Monolith Productions, encountered orcs boast diverse personalities and traits. Any orc visible can become an ally, a betrayer, a spy, and more. The Nemesis system elevates gameplay by ensuring defeating a formidable orc may birth a vengeful nemesis, creating a dynamic player-driven narrative. The system transcends gaming norms, crafting unique interactions between players and procedurally generated characters. Picture an orc captain annihilating your favorite orcish companion. It's personal. The return of a previously vanquished foe adds intense layers to the game. This tailored experience based on player actions and procedural character generation ensures a unique journey for every player. Yet, as impressive as these pre-programmed marvels are, the future promises even greater wonders. With AI embracing novel technologies, games might evolve beyond orcs that merely seem to scheme or befriend players. Imagine a game where characters genuinely plot, scheme, and experience emotions in response to player actions. It's not just gaming, it's an interactive saga where every move shapes an ever-evolving narrative. Looking into the future, let's explore the realms where AI holds the potential to usher in a wave of benefits and revolutionary solutions, propelling the gaming industry to unprecedented heights. Smarter and more adaptive NPCs. Just as mentioned above, a prime area of focus is enhancing the intelligence and adaptability of non-player characters NPCs. Traditionally, these NPCs operate on pre-programmed scripts, their actions dictated by automated rules beyond player control. AI's role in gaming becomes pivotal here, introducing the possibility of imbuing NPCs with smarter, more adaptive behaviors. This means NPCs could respond to game conditions in novel and creative ways as the gameplay unfolds. The use of neural networks offers an exciting avenue, allowing adaptation tailored to each player's unique style. This personalization aims to optimize the gaming experience, maximizing engagement, fun, and challenge for the individual player. Leading gaming companies such as Seed, EA are already at the forefront, investing efforts in developing AI-enabled NPCs. These virtual entities are trained through simulations that replicate the strategies of top players. promising a future where NPCs evolve dynamically to match the prowess and preferences of every gamer. The stage is set for AI to redefine not just the characters on the screen, but the very essence of gaming itself, revolutionizing gaming realism through AI. AI stands as a potent force with the capability to elevate the realism of gaming experiences. Its potential is vast, spanning from enhancing the performance of simulations in online games to refining visuals, resulting in games that not only look, but also feel more natural and authentic. AI's proficiency in predicting outcomes in complex systems enables the recreation of virtual gaming worlds with real-time lighting, creating immersive environments. Furthermore, the fusion of AI with virtual and augmented reality technologies presents thrilling possibilities for heightened immersion and interactivity in video games. AI upscaling, exemplified by tech giant NVIDIA innovation, emerges as a valuable tool, enhancing graphics and transforming images into lifelike depictions, pushing the boundaries of visual fidelity. Battling unfair play. The escalating challenge of cheating in online multiplayer gaming poses a significant threat to the gaming community, with potential repercussions for both players and game publishers. As gamers worldwide express concerns about fairness and security against adversaries with unfair advantages, the race to detect and combat cheats intensifies. In this arms race, AI emerges as a crucial ally for video game companies. By analyzing patterns of player movements and keystrokes, AI becomes a frontline defense against cheaters, striving to maintain a level playing field. However, the cat-and-mouse game persists as cheaters employ AI to mimic human behavior realistically, attempting to evade detection and amplify the challenges faced by the gaming industry in maintaining fair and enjoyable multiplayer experiences. Efficient game content creation with AI. The creation of content for video games involves a vast array of elements, including 3D objects, characters, abilities, clothing, music, and art. This process is not only time-intensive, but also demands significant financial resources. AI steps in as a game changer by offering a faster and more cost-effective solution to generate diverse assets on a large scale, incorporating various artistic styles. Moreover, AI systems showcase their prowess in crafting interactive narratives. Leveraging learned storylines and text generation systems, AI, as seen in the renowned AI Dungeon 2, opens up a realm of possibilities. This text-based fantasy simulation game allows players to embark on completely AI-driven adventures, where their inputs direct the AI to generate limitless content, shaping a personalized and expansive gaming experience. AI-powered playtesting for seamless game development. Testing is a crucial phase in video game development, where developers aim to uncover bugs, identify problems, and explore potential player actions. Fortunately, AI has revolutionized this aspect through automated playtesting. Capable of handling thousands of complex test cases at a pace surpassing human capabilities, AI excels at identifying dynamically rendered elements within video games. It meticulously detects nuances that could be refined or removed from the game structure. The integration of AI-powered tools not only streamlines the testing process, but also enhances efficiency, ensuring a faster and smoother game testing experience for developers. Real-world applications of AI in gaming. Now let's delve into the dynamic landscape of AI in the gaming realm today, and you might be astonished at just how pervasive its impact has become. First off, there's the exciting world of procedural generation. AI takes center stage here, crafting game content such as levels, maps, and entire worlds. This innovative approach gives rise to expansive and infinitely replayable games like Minecraft and No Man's Sky. Every gaming session unveils a new world tailor-made by the AI, ensuring a unique experience with every playthrough. Next up is the role of AI in shaping character behavior. Here, AI truly excels, endowing non-player characters with the ability to act and react like authentic individuals. In acclaimed titles like The Witcher 3 and Red Dead Redemption 2, NPCs boast their own routines and responses, interacting with the player and the game world in a natural and convincing manner, all thanks to the prowess of AI. And let's not overlook the crucial role of AI in difficulty scaling within games. Titles like Left 4 Dead and Resident Evil utilize AI to dynamically adjust the game's difficulty based on the player's performance. Whether breezing through a level or facing a tough challenge, the AI intervenes, throwing more obstacles or providing a breather to maintain an optimal level of challenge. These examples merely scratch the surface of AI's current role in gaming. Considering the swift evolution of AI technology, the horizon holds boundless potential for novel applications in the future. In summary, AI is orchestrating a transformative symphony in the world of video games, bringing them closer to reality and unlocking thrilling possibilities for gamers worldwide. The future promises unparalleled advancements in AI technology within the gaming industry, creating an exhilarating era for both developers and players. As technology hurtles forward, envision a future where AI seamlessly integrates into every facet of gaming, from character development to game design, redefining the very limits of interactive entertainment. If the future of AI in gaming excites you as much as it does us, share your thoughts in the comments below. Stay in the loop by subscribing to our channel, and if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button and turn on notifications. Thanks for joining us on this exhilarating tech journey. Stay tuned for more mind-blowing updates.